Brothers and sisters, we all experience the experience of Thomas. Father, I have prayed so much. Nagrosaryo ako, nagnovena ako, lumuhod ako hanggang papunta ng altar. But nothing happened. Or maybe, nagtiwala ako, pero in the end pala, ako pa rin pala ang masasaktan. So I will not believe again. But Jesus not only reprimanded Thomas, sabi niya, Thomas, put your finger here. Put your finger here at my side. And your hand, and do not be unbelieving. Kaya sabi ni Saint Faustina Kowalska, the greater the sinner, the greater the right he has to the mercy of God. Ang isang tao na kahit pala siya ay sobrang makasalanan, mayroon pala siya mas malaki ang kanyang right na humingi ng awa ng Diyos.